In this example, you're going to learn how to create a workflow instance and also to execute that particular workflow instance. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of my existing workflows. So let's take a simple workflow that has a single choice task. And in this example, task will be routed to make a selection. And one of the ways to create a workflow instance is right from the workflow designer. So you can go to Action, Create Instance, and you can give a name for the new instance, or you can also say Generate, and that will generate a name for the instance. And if there are any required variables, you can give values for those variables, and just go ahead and say Create and Execute. And that's it. The workflow will be executed automatically by the workflow engine behind the scenes. Now let's go ahead and look at the workflow instance list. If you go to instances, you will see that there's a new instance called test task choice instant 14 that just got executed, and we can also double click on this particular instance and graphically see the rendition of that workflow. There is also another way to create a workflow instance. You can go to under workflow instances, go to the menu actions, create, and this dialog will also give you to select what definition you want to use. You can also generate a name, or you can type in a name, and you can say create and execute, and that will create a new workflow instance also. This is one way to launch workflows within FlowWright. There are many other ways that can be used, for example, using triggers, using APIs, many different ways that you can start a workflow instance.